Alright, so we got a first look at the Jordan 1 Chicago, and as always, these are just my personal opinions, and if you don't like it, I don't give a damn! Anyway, taking a look at that box, man, I ain't gonna lie, that box look beautiful. The box might look better than the shoes. So first off, like I said, we got the orange top box. I love how they implemented the beat up box look and that sales sticker on there, that's hard. Now when you first open it up, you got the paper showing the good times when the prices was nice and inflation came and just everything up. If you look at the iconic Jumpman logo here, you'll notice he has on sweatpants. A lot of people think he had on shorts. He actually had on sweatpants, so you learned something new today. Got all the little pictures from some of his history. Talks about the design of the shoe right here. Like I said, look at these prices, man, that's crazy. Go back to them times, back when all these resellers didn't exist. So here we got the man, the myth, the legend, Jordan 1. I ain't gonna lie, off top, looking good. I love the red on the shoe. I like how it got that age tint to it. You probably can't see it in the picture, but it's definitely got kind of an age look to it. Comes with 2 pair of shoestrings from the side, everything looking good. Bro, the leather quality on these is good. It gave you that good leather. I'm talking about I can lick that. Lick my screen. The stitching on these looks immaculate. Darker charcoal around the top. Toe box looking good as always. From the side, these things looking immaculate. Got the red and white logo on the tongue. Zoom in so you can see that. Definitely got a little spot on it. I don't know what that is. You gotta get rid of that, because this is what we paid $200 for. Got the ashy bottom, and I love that. When I first put them out the box, I was trying to wipe it off because I thought it was ashy, but nah, they come like that. Really, I can't complain about these. I think these are executed perfectly. Logo's looking good. I see a little stitch off there, but you know, they don't really matter. It's still gonna wear the same. I don't know if it's the lighting or what, but the color's really vibrant on this video, as you can tell. Zoom in so y'all can see everything. Really no imperfections here. That booty on that shoe looking good. I'm talking about that booty. That booty. That red ass booty. Now, do I need these? Not really, just because I got so many pair of Jordans that are red and black. I mean, I understand that's the team colors, but I don't really need that in my collection. I got so many. If I get them, I'm cool. If I don't, I'm gonna steal them from somebody. Put that thing out about that motherfucker, say, oh, somebody look at it, oh. You can hear that shit. This one was done perfectly. I can't really complain about nothing on this shoe, man. This one was done to perfection, except that little dot on there. What the hell is that? Man, get that shit. I'm gonna lick my finger and get that off. But I did not put that there. It was already there. See, your boy got on gloves. So all y'all resellers out there, please don't mess this up for the people who really want to get these shoes. We made a community cool, and now y'all trying to take over it and make $1 off of it. I hate y'all. Drop a comment. Let me know if you're gonna put these in your collection.